Here are thought-provoking short hairstyles that will encourage Black women, and women you're seeing on the screen right now, why they should embrace short natural hair. Now, short natural hair requires less detangling, less product, and less manipulation. Now, to wash off the short hair is faster, with fewer knots and less breakage risks. So as you get advanced in age, rocking a short natural hair becomes an added advantage because your strands are not at the mercy of chemicals, right? And another thing is that as women age continue to age, rocking short hair gives the illusion of fuller hair, especially when you adopt the tapered haircut or the Pixie cut. All right, it shows that you don't really need length, like as you can see here now. You don't need head length, but in this situation, moving from dread to short natural hair may make a lot of sense. But in all totality, this lady with a natural hair, all right, you're gonna love the result. Look at it. You know, it just goes to show there's no need for a longer length. So as you get matured in age, all right, looking for products to make your hair longer, staying under the heat, it's not necessary. Look at this, short, simple, straight to the point, and very classy. This is exactly what we're talking about. Embrace short hair, and a whole lot of things will change about you. As you get older, you don't want to spend a great number of your hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, trying to look like you are 25 years old. No. Rocking short hair doesn't make you older. But rocking short hair takes a lot of it out of you, and it saves time as well. That is true, man. It mustn't be really short to the skull. Like in her case, she looks absolutely beautiful. So what is more? There are more styles like this to come. We just want you to some of them. It is style too. Keep it bumped. See you on the next one. Bye.